Hi, I'm Faith.
And I'm Hailey. Welcome to ACC's Underground for the week of April 1st. April is Sexual Assault Awareness Month.
So take the pledge to stand up against sexual assault.
Gradfest is Monday and Tuesday outside the bookstore. Stop by and get your cap and gown.
PTK is meeting in Center 114 at 2 p.m. on Tuesday.
Nursing applications are due April 10th.
Student Services is having a workshop on resumes and interviews Wednesdays and Thursdays.
Softball is at Delta Friday and St. Clair Saturday and Sunday. Good luck, girls.
The Student Nurses Association is having a bowling fundraiser Friday, April 5th. Ask any SNA member for more information.
I'm Hailey.
And I'm Faith. That was this week's Underground. Make sure to watch every week.